I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. Hi, I'm going to show you how you can easily play Golden Hour by Jake so that you can sing along. Now this song is structured intro, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus. Now, I've made some changes to the piano part to make it easy for you to play so that you can sing along. So, I'm going to teach you how these parts go, and then in the end, I'll show you what you could sound like when you put it all together. Alright, let's start with the intro. The first thing you're going to play is this. After that, we're going to move to this. Now we're going to move just the left hand. And then move them all, both hands, down to here. Alright, that's the entire intro. Let's try it one more time. Great, so that's the intro, but it's also the verse chord. So let's look at the verse. So it goes, it was just two lovers, sitting in the car, listening to blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover, missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi, I was all alone. And that's how the verse goes. So we're going to move on to the pre-chorus. I was all alone with the... Go back to the same chord. All my life. Now when we get to the pre-chorus, it's the same chords as the verse. So what I do is I change this rhythm and add in the right hand, playing a little bit more. The last part of this pre-chorus, slightly different to the verse, we go to this chord here. And that's got the building. Like to see. And I like to build that with that rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom. Before we go into the chorus, so we've got that tension built. Let's move on to the chorus. So starting with the same chord that we do with every section. Shine. It's your... Now we're just going to move this bottom note here in the right hand. Golden. Alright. And then... Then on you slow down time. It's your, back to this chord, just move one note, golden hour. And then just before you go back to the second verse, we're going to move that note there, down to here. Before going back into the second verse, we were just two lovers. So that's how the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the intro of the song go. So if you can play verse 1, pre-chorus 1, and chorus 1, it's exactly the same for the second ones, which means you've actually learnt the whole song. Now if you found this video helpful, a thumbs up and subscribe would really allow me to continue helping you in the future. Thank you. Now, I'm going to have a jam through this whole song. It was just two lovers, sitting in the car, listening to blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi, I was all alone with the love of my life. She got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. Oh, you slow down time in your golden hour. just two lovers. Feet up on the dash, driving nowhere fast, burning through the summer. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power, minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine fun like I did for the love of my life? She got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light. I was all alone with the love of my life. She got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light.